In this video, I'll be talking about the Budgies diet and showing you a video of how my Budgie is responding to his new foods. I've owned Figaro for a total of 12 days. Most of what he's eating in this video is fairly new to him. I'll be showing you how I transitioned him to new foods as well as pellets in my little Budgie taste test kitchen. I've done quite a bit of research of the Budgie Bar's diet, mainly by reading science-based avian journals and studies. I wanted to feed my Budgie a healthy diet, which will mimic his diet from the wild, enhance his psychological well-being, and help me foster a good bond and relationship with him. Budgies are omnivores. That means they eat almost anything, but like us, their diet will need to be restricted to what is healthy and natural for them. Do not feed your Budgie avocados or chocolate because this is toxic to them. I am using fresh, uncooked vegetables and cooked black rice in the chop today. By taking Figaro's daily weight, it helps me monitor his health. Okay, so we want to go ahead and we want to wash the vegetables. I'm measuring out 2 tablespoons of the black rice. I'm only cooking for one Budgie. Stir the rice, get it completely cooked. It smells delicious. It's got a nutty smell. It's got a beautiful color. It's packed with nutrients, antioxidants. It's good for the liver, the digestion. It's got vitamin B complex, iron, calcium. It's really nutritious and more. Look at that. Just get it fully cooked. It takes a while. Just cook it through. Read the directions. Taste it yourself. Cool the rice. Process with the vegetables in the food processor. Get really fine. Looks good. You really want to chop it up. Mix this in. Top back on. Process it again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this fresh chop. Now again, I only have one parakeet, so I'm just going to give him some in this bowl here. And he's never had it, so I'm going to take him out in a minute. I got him a little hungry right now, so that's a little secret. So he's going to come out and he's going to try this, you know. I think he'll at least taste it, but he'll get used to it. Alright, so I'm going to put that aside here. I'm going to show you what else he's going to eat. And the rest of it, I've put dates on these freezer bags. I'm going to freeze it. And I'll feed it to him that way. I'll take it out the morning before. I don't know, maybe I'll put just a little bit. You know, if you have more parakeets, you might want to make more. You know, or you might want to make less. Nothing goes to waste here. I got chickens. Whatever any animal or human doesn't consume, they'll take care of it. No problem. Okay, so when I first got Figaro, he was just on a generic Budgie seed. And, you know, I'm very big in nutrition for people and for pets. Over the years, I've been able to avoid overly taking them to the veterinarian. My animals have been really healthy. And I wanted to find the perfect seed because parakeets love seed, as well as pellets, because pellets also contain nutrition that could be missing from seed. So right now I found these 2. You know, list in the comments if you have other ones. I know Harrison's is another good brand. You know, list in the comments if there's anything else. I'm open to try a lot of different things, and I want to spur my parakeet's appetite. But this Dr. Harvey's has a lot of great seed. It's a really great seed mix. You can see here what's in the ingredients. Also, look at that. Let me see if I can get a good shot of this. Look at this. Look at this. And the minute you open up the bag, I don't know how good the shot is, but the minute you open up this bag, it smells delicious. Like I want to eat it. And I have tasted it. And I would love to put it on a bagel. You know, and bake a bagel with it. That's how good I think it is. So it smells good for me. And he's liking it. He's eating it. He loves it. The other thing is I wanted to also have pellets for him because it has more nutrition. Number one here is alfalfa leaf. I don't know if you're familiar with alfalfa, but alfalfa, if you ever had a horse, they will dapple up. It really is good at bringing out color in an animal. These pellets are a little large for Figaro, so I grind them down. And you'll see I'm going to moisten them up, and I'm going to mix them up with the seed. I've also used egg yolk to help mix this mixture up. And he's calling me right now because he is ready to eat. So I'm going to bring him out. We're going to try the chop first. We're going to mix up this feed, and we're going to see what he thinks. Okay. Here he is, Mr. Handsome. Oh yeah. What do you think? He's a little nervous right now. What do you think? Oh, because I have the camera lights are on. That's why. I may have to shut them off. Maybe I'll do that. He's so cute and I love him to death. We're gonna shut them off. Okay. Let's see if he likes, remember this chop? He's never had it before. I just made it, and he's a little hungry. So, let's see. Let's use this little spoon here. Let's see if he wants to eat that. You want to taste it? Oh, he likes it. What do you know? He wanted to taste it. Oh, it's pretty good. Yeah. He's never had this. He's making his little peeping noise. He likes to eat. Oh yeah, I might want to come and have more, huh? Yes, come on. Come have some more. This is a really good time for me to bond with him because, you know, sometimes I'll eat snacks here, give him a little bite. Healthy, you know, peanut butter cracker, a bite, you know, not too much. But then I chop up his food here. He's a little hungry, you know. The seed smells delicious. So with this tops, the pellets, this is for small hook bills. It's a little big for him. They do make a smaller one, but it was out. So I put a tablespoon in each bowl. I'll give him a couple bowls of food. He's starting to forage now. So just a little. It's not going to be too much, probably half a tablespoon, just a little. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix water. I want to do this. Just have some water here. I'm going to take in the bowl here of these pellets, and it's going to soak up this water. And it's going to let it soak it up like a sponge. Oh, look who's coming down off the perch there. Yeah, look who's coming. Come on, come over here and get it. Come over here and get it. Come on. So, same thing here. Throw a little water, let it soak up. Look. Look. Oh yeah, you want that chop, huh? You're a little he's a little hungry. Not gonna lie. You know, I took the food bowls away, left the water in there, gave him fresh water. That's another thing. They gotta have fresh water every day, and these bowls need to be washed every day. Every day, that's important. Yeah, look at him. Yeah. Oh, he gave me a kiss. Yes, he's a good boy. Let's see. Also here with the pellets, he never had pellets. Now I have him 12 days. I started him like on day 4 or 5, I think. Let's see with the pellets. Let's see, look. These are moist. Look. He's liking them. It's hard to get parakeets off pellets. They love the seed. They're not gonna lie to you. They love their seed, you know. They love it. Yeah, look at him. Look at him go. loves it. He's in his glory right now. And I'm in my glory because I know he's eating healthy food. Now, here's the other thing. The seeds. Oh yeah, he's gonna love this. I'll get him a couple of seeds in here. I won't put in the chop. All these are chopped separate. Now he's going for the seeds, of course. But what I do is, and he thinks I'm eating it with him, I stick my fingers in here. You hear him? He's talking. He loves it. I mean, he loves it. You know, when we're kids, we go, He does it too. I mix it all up. And sometimes I'll put an egg yolk in here. You know, even more protein. But not every day. He's got the chop today. You know, look at him. He's so happy. He is happy to eat his healthy food. Yes, he is. Figaro. He is so happy. Look at him. I'm just going to keep mixing this up here. He likes having different bowls. I notice he's starting to forage. He's not playing with any of his toys yet. And he tolerates me. But he's starting to like me because of the food. He's starting to like the food. Look at him. Oh, he loves it. He is not a loving bird. He is a good boy. You know, what parakeet wouldn't like a little bit of love? You know, they act like they don't like it, but eventually they'll come around. He's got a maid here. I keep all this food in the refrigerator, so this way there's no mold, there's no nothing. I don't have to worry about ants. It's all going back in the refrigerator. The chop I put in the freezer, except for one bag I'll use tomorrow and then fresh. So, one bag every 2 days, that's it. Delicious. Delicious. Figaro, Figaro, Figaro. He's a good boy.